Hi, Nick here with MedTech World. Joseph Rafferty from VESTECK has come a long way.
From Philadelphia.
All the way over. And you're here with VESTECK. You're here in a couple of capacities, right?
I am.
You're here to pitch a new product, and you're here to talk and to impart your knowledge, right?
Yeah, Giovanni has been very kind over the years. He's gotten us included, VESTECK and myself in general, involved yesterday in the CEO conference. He put me up on a panel with a lot of bright people, so I didn't have to say very much. And then again today, there's a panel we'll be involved with. And then I was asked to pitch tomorrow. We were one of the top 10 companies that was selected. I think I had a little inside advantage from Giovanni, but we were selected to pitch tomorrow.
Great.
So,
You're going to make the pitch yourself?
yeah.
Cool. Been prepping 3-minute elevator pitch. What's your strategy?
Yeah, I think they turn the microphone off at 4 minutes, so it's all got to be condensed and schooled and sharpened. So tonight, instead of at dinner drinking nice red wines, I'll be in the room practicing my pitch.
But you're lucky. It's an exciting product. It's close to your heart.
It is, and no pun intended. We're in the aortic repair business, and we can get into the structural heart business. So you're absolutely correct. We're plumbers, close to the heart.
Suture Tight is the name of the product.
Yeah, very quickly, when a family member or friend is diagnosed with an aortic aneurysm, they have two therapeutic options: surgery or an endovascular repair. And when they put the endovascular grafts in, they're great. Patient goes home the next day. The challenge is they're not very durable. And so a family member may have to come back in 2 years or 3 years and have another really complex surgery. So our catheter goes in after the initial implant. We suture the graft in place so that the aorta is attached to the graft and it's not going to move. So our catheter is preloaded with these 4 nitinol sutures. It's a memory metal. And so the sutures go in, it brings the aorta to the graft, it lets the body heal the aorta to the graft, and patients aren't coming back for complex, painful follow-up surgeries. So,
and not to say anything about your age, but when you began your career, there wasn't muscle memory metal. Everything has changed, right?
Yeah, everything has changed, and it's interesting. There are some of us here that actually had hair when we started our career. There was a gentleman today on one of the panels, Mike Whitman, brilliant guy. He and I roomed together at Ethicon back in 1983, and there are people here pitching that weren't even born then. So maybe that's a good thing, maybe it's not. Yeah,
cool, but I see a lovely mix of the grey and the fresh. Male and female. So in terms of the industry, we look at a wonderful demographic here at the event. It's not dominated. It's not male dominated event. It just seems to be.
It's not. It's a good visual. It's a good mix. Lots of different. I laugh because us with the Celtish background, we've got a certain look, and then you walk around here, and it's just a brilliant,
around the world.
Diverse from around the world. It's a great visual. Yeah.
Did you get to have you got to enjoy Malta yet?
Unfortunately, we're here to work. So other than dinner last night, I've not seen. I've been sending pictures home to my wife, and essentially told her that she missed a really nice trip this time because the views here are spectacular, obviously. So.
And this event, just how did it happen? Why is MedTech World Malta on your calendar?
Two things. Giovanni has a certain gravitas that you appreciate and respect, and when he asks you to participate, the answer is usually yes, because he does bend over backwards. Giovanni does a lot of giving forward, and so any chance you have to give back to him and support an initiative is one thing. It's also a self-serving giving because Giovanni is bringing investors here. We're all out raising money for our products and our companies, and so he's brought to the island a number of very high quality investors, and then, oh, by the way, there's some beautiful scenery and a little bit of wine and maybe a pint. So it's a nice place to come and pay back.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
I'm going to let you get back to the business of why you're here. Joseph Rafferty, thanks very much for joining us with VESTECK.